Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detail Detectives YouTube channel. And today we're reviewing a product that, well, I haven't really tried before. This is a clay lube. So this is sent in from the guys at Valet Pro, and this is called Clay Rider. So this is a clay lube. So yeah, it's a, well, from what it says, it's a easy to wipe off formula. Reduces the risk of clay marring, lubricates the panel to aid claying, easy to use and great for all types of clay. So we've got a generic type of clay. I've been soaking it in the bucket since I've sort of like washed the car. But so let's see what we have to do with this product, because like I say, it's not a product that I actually use. So mostly with when I'm claying cars, I use the snow foam for sort of like the clay lube, and basically that just saves carrying another product round on the van, because yeah, snow foam does act as a good clay lubricant. So yeah, that's what we do. Let's see what this product does and how to use it, and then we'll go on and test it, see if it does what it says on the back of the bottle. So the directions: ensure the vehicle has been washed and dried. So I'll put a quick 5 seconds shot of me washing the car now. Basically, yeah, I've washed it and it's dried, and then it says spray onto the panel you are about to clay, and then follow the instructions on the contamination removal bar. So basically all you have to do is spray this on the panel and follow the instructions of the clay, which is basically rub the panel up and down, and yeah, basically taking off the decontamination. So like I say, the clay's been soaking in the bucket just to make it nice and soft. So what I'm going to do is I'll do half a bonnet, so half with the spray clay lube and then half without, and then we'll see if there's any sort of like big differences. This car has got quite a lot of sort of like marring and swirl marks in, so it might be hard to pick up on camera when we sort of do that test, but yeah, I'll do that anyway. So let me go and get some tape, go down the middle, and then yeah, we'll start the review. Okay, so for the first test I'll do this side, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet it with basically the shampoo water, just so the clay bar has got some sort of like lubricant to sort of like slide on the paint. And then we'll go over to this side, and then yeah, we'll use the clay lube to see if it makes any difference. So this car has never been clayed before, apart from when I did the video. I think I've done a video on claying, maybe. Oh yeah, I did the Carbon Collective, the clay sort of like applicator. But apart from that, which was I think on one of the sides, yeah, it's never been clayed before. So it'd be quite interesting to see what this takes off. So with the shampoo, the clay is sticking a tiny bit, which I sort of expected, because, well, it's only shampoo. Some shampoos are made for, well, are capable of using as a clay bar lubricant, but yeah, this one that I'm using, which is, well, it's just a generic shampoo that I had on the shelf. Yeah, it's, well, as you can see, the clay bar is sticking quite a bit. It's sort of like pulling it out my hands. Okay, so I don't know whether you can see, that's what's come off the sort of like bonnet, and yeah, that's just because it's never been clayed. So I'm going to get a fresh bit of clay, so we'll leave that on this side, then we'll switch to the other side, and yeah, we'll use the clay lube. Okay, so now we're going to use the clay lube to, yeah, basically do this side. So that side, it stuck a bit, well, stuck quite a lot with just like the watery shampoo-y sort of like lubricant. And then yeah, let's see how this one performs. So hopefully it'll do a lot better, and yeah, hopefully the clay bar won't stick. So let's follow the instructions. Basically just spray it onto the panel and then start claying the car. Okay, so just from sort of like spraying it, there is a really nice smell. So I do like the smell of this product so far. So yeah, let's start cleaning. So far, the clay hasn't stuck, which is good. I did spray quite a lot on, but yeah, I don't really know how much you're meant to spray on. Just, I guess, just cover it so you don't get any marring. Okay, so just looking, that's what came off that side of the bonnet. But yeah, just quickly going over, that did sort of like glide across the paintwork a lot easier than it did with the sort of like watery solution. So what I'll do now is I'll get some quick detailer, give it sort of like a good wipe over, just to get rid of all just to get rid of all this sort of like water and dry it off, and then yeah, we'll go in with the camera and see whether there's any difference. Okay, so I've just wiped that down. Now let's go closer in with the camera and let's see if we can sort of like see any marring or see any sort of like difference. So the first place that I'm looking is where I use the clay lube. So there's not that much marring. I have experienced sort of like marring with this clay before, so yeah, I don't know whether it's just a bad clay or not, but it actually looks alright. And then moving on to the side which I just did with water, yeah, that's well, I don't know whether it picks up on camera as well as I can see, but yeah, that looks like it has marred the paint quite a lot. So, well, just to say that, well, to finish off this review. Okay, so you've seen the sort of like the application of this, and then you've seen the sort of like close up of what it actually did. So as you can see, like just by using this, it's reduced the marring a lot. So that's one of the main things. And as you saw, when I was sort of like claying the side with just the water shampoo solution, yeah, it didn't. Well, the clay stuck to the car quite a lot, which isn't not nice, and it sort of like does mar your paint quite a lot doing that. So when using this product, the smell really nice. So the smell is really nice, and yeah, well, the spray is pretty good actually. You get good coverage, and well, it's like a wide spray, so it's quite nice. But yeah, coating the panel and then using the clay bar, I didn't have any issues with it sticking at all. Like it just it did glide across the paint really well. Quite impressed with that actually. Like I say, this isn't a product I would normally use. I'd normally just use snow foam. But yeah, so going back to the marring situation, this product sort of like reduced the marring a lot. There is some marring there, but not as much as the is on the side, which without using this product. So it has actually worked. To be fair, when sort of like claying cars, you do expect a tiny bit of marring. You do this before sort of like machine polishing the car, just to get rid of those last sort of like contaminants that are actually stuck on the car. So if there is a bit of marring there, I guess it's not the end of the world, because you are going to go on there with your polisher, and your polisher should take those out. So it's not the end of the world, but this does help sort of like reduce that, so you do have, well, so you don't have to put as much effort in when you're machine polishing your car, which is good. So this product, yeah, like I said, the guys at Valet Pro very kindly sent this out to us with a few other products. So we've tried the snow foam, we've tried this now, and then yeah, we've got a tyre shine to try, which we'll be trying over the next few weeks. So this product is around £8. I'll drop the link below for this, and yeah, go check it out if you're looking for a clay lube. Yeah, I don't see why you can't try this one. One, it smells nice. Two, it actually works, and yeah, it's not a bad price for the actual product. So go check it out. Make sure you leave a subscribe, drop a like on this video, and comments if you wish, and yeah, I'll see you next week for another video. Cheers.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Ta-ra!